Croeso unwaith eto i'r podlediad. Diolch am eich cwmni. Welcome once again to the podcast. Thanks for your company. Seiber-ymosodiad gan Iran wedi arwain at gau gorsaf bŵer yn y Deyrnas Unedig dros dro. Cyber attack by Iran has led to the temporary closure of a power station in the UK. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif chant a chwe. Series 4 and episode number 360. Pilipala, butterfly. Yes, I put a little thing on the social media for people to give me a word, a theme, a Welsh word or English word, and an instrument or sound, and I'll turn it into a track. So today's episode is about that, really, because the word was Pilipala, which is a word for butterfly. And there are some other words as well, which we'll come on to. So, heddiw dydd Sul, today's Sunday, y trydydd ar 20 o Awst, the 23rd of August, 2026, 2026, ac mae hi'n 3 munud wedi 10 o hwyr. O, ac mae hi'n 2 munud wedi 10 o hwyr. And it's 3 minutes past 10 p.m. Cyber attack. Some pictures here of some butterflies and some caterpillars. I have looking around. Thank you very much, people who provided some. Got there caterpillars and butterflies. And some of the words are Pilipala, butterfly, Pilipala, with a dash between pili and pala, butterfly. Gloin, byw, butterfly as well. Iar, fach, ar haf, a little hen of the summer hen, a little small hen of the summer, literally, but that's another word for butterfly as well. Iar, fach, ar haf. Lindusin or lindisin, it's like different pronunciations of that first Y, but that's what I've come across. Lindusin, caterpillar or grub. Lindus, probably lindis. Caterpillars, shani vluog, caterpillar as well, and that translates as hairy shan or hairy shani or hairy jane, because shan's like a jane as well, so depending on how you want to translate it. Tunged is fate, and there's just the N and the G together is unged, so tunged. Ddeilen is leaf, soft mutation of deilen. Crawl is cropian is crawl. Cried cropian cyn cerdded. You must crawl before you walk. Or drwyr, that's through the or by the, them kind of things. Drwy is a preposition and the apostrophe R is the. Vro, region, country, land, neighbourhood. Soft mutation of bro. Adain, wings, plural of aden. Pilipala, butterfly, soft mutation of Pilipala. Keith, hide, concealed, hidden, covert. We've got bachan, which is a word for little, small, tiny. It's an adjective or a masculine noun. Bachan, little, small, tiny, unimportant, junior, or little one as a noun, as in a little one. Dipping is little, quite a bit, soft mutation of tipping. Fwyd is food, soft mutation of bwyd. Darn is a piece, portion or part. Pickle, spelt P-I-C-L, is pickle in English, or fix. Get yourself in a pickle. Dafell, slice or rasher, soft mutation of tafell. Bastai, if I have not just pressed the wrong button. Bastai is a pie or pasty, soft mutation of pastai. Because if you say it right, you might get like a Geordie. Pastai! Pasty? No, not quite. Anyway, tried, failed, moving on. Some words are added as well. There's lots more words to go with the very hungry caterpillar story. Lindysyn llwglyd iawn. That's read out there. And I've put words and games to go with the words for that as well. Not done everything. We start counting and doing days of the week and different fruits and they eat. That's quite good. Teaches about counting nouns using the singular. Shows you the en ending words. It's in a lot of fruit. That kind of thing. It's a kid book, but yeah, it goes with the Pilipala story as well. So, news enwi 5 person ifanc a fyw farw mewn gwrthdrawiad a cherbyd yr heddlu yng Ngogledd Lloegr. 5 young people who died in a collision with a police vehicle in the north of England have been named. Ein ffordd ni o ddweud diolch. Cymru'n helpu I atal tannau gwyllt and Spain. Our way of saying thank you. Welsh help to prevent wildfires in Spain. Damwain difrifol yn gorfodi dynion ifanc o'r gogledd I ohirio eu taith seiclo elusennol I wlad Thai. A serious accident forces young men from the north to postpone their charity cycling trip to Thailand. Arolygiad dirybydd yn canfod risg sylweddol yn I wybodaeth glinigol cleifion yng ganolfan canser fel yn dre. Arolygiad dirybydd yn canfod risg sylweddol I wybodaeth glinigol cleifion yng ganolfan canser fel yn dre. Unannounced inspection finds significant risk to patients' clinical information at Felindre Cancer Centre. Dyn wedi marw mewn gwrthdrawiad rhwng 2 feic modur ym Mort Talbot. A man has died in a collision between 2 motorbikes in Port Talbot. Today's song, lyrics, poem type of thing is a poem that goes with the Pilipala theme, and well, Pilipala is the word. The theme is fate, and the instrument is banjo. So you'll hear that song shortly, or the peace track shortly. Tynged Lindysyn bach ar ddeilen werth yn cropian ymlaen ar hyd y ffordd. Mae'n cropian yma, cropian draw, drwy'r hael cynnes, drwy'r glaw. The fate of the caterpillar. A little caterpillar on a green leaf, crawling along the way. It crawls here, crawls there, through the warm sun, through the rain. Ond draw rw newid, draw rw dro, mae amser iddo fynd o'r fro. Mae'n cysgu'n dawel, nos y dydd, yn aros yno, yn llonydd. It sleeps quietly. Sorry, but some change will come some time. It is time for it to leave the area. It sleeps quietly, night and day, staying there, still. Ond yn y bore, dyna fo, yn gweld y byd o'r newydd eto. Dwi adain hardd mor fawr, mor dda. Mae wedi troi'n Pilipala. In the morning, there it is, seeing the world anew again. 2 beautiful wings, so big, so good, it has turned into a butterfly. Pilipala yn yr awr las, yn hedfan dros y cae a'r plas. Roedd tynged gydd yn aros draw, I roi dwy adain iddo nawr. O Lindysyn Lindysyn bach i'r awr agored, rhyddid oedd ei dynged. A hidden fate, no, a butterfly in the blue sky, flying over field and mansion. A hidden fate was waiting over there to give it 2 wings now. From a small caterpillar to the open air, freedom was its fate. So if you look at the web lesson, you'll be able to hover on each word and tie up lines better than I've read it out in 4 in groups of 4 or 6 lines that I did. Be easier for you to follow if you come and look at the web lesson. Each word is hoverable. Hoverable, that's when you hover on it. It's able to hover. And got the sound and description of the word. And if not, there'll be a link to a page that takes you off to the dictionary for it easy anyway. Or you can use me search thing to translate things. Sentence or by word, type it in or say it. Right, that's it. Here's the song. Ta-ra. Lindysyn bach ar ddeilenwyr yn cropio'n ymlaen ar hyd y ffordd. Mae'n cropio'n yma, cropio'n draw, drwy'r hael cynnes, drwy'r graw. Ond dawrw newid, dawrw dro, mae amser iddo fynd o'r fro. Mae'n cysgu'n dawl, nos y dydd, yn aros yna yn llonydd. Ond yn y bore, dyna fo, yn gweld y byd o'r newydd eto. Dywiadau'n hardd, mor fawr, mor dda. Mae wedi troi'n Pilipala. Pilipala yn yr awyr las, yn hedfan dros y cae a'r plas. Roedd tynged gydd yn aros draw, I roi dwy'n again iddo nawr. Y Lindysyn bach i'r awr agored, ryddid oedd ei dynged.